Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a product that's a bit different from our usual skincare and cosmetics reviews, but still totally relevant if you're in the beauty, wellness, or therapy world. We're checking out the SereneLife Portable Massage Table, a professional, adjustable folding massage and lash bed designed for estheticians, therapists, and anyone needing a versatile treatment table. So what exactly is this? It's a portable massage table with an ergonomic headrest, adjustable backrest, and deluxe PU leather upholstery. It's made with a solid wooden frame, non-slip protective pads on the legs, and high-quality lock catches and metal hinges, designed for easy folding and transport. Plus, it comes with a handy carrying bag for portability. I've had the chance to put this table through its paces, especially in a few different scenarios, like using it as a lash bed, a facial bed, and even as a portable massage station for my home spa setup. Let me tell you, the adjustable headrest and liftable backrest really make a difference. They allow for customizable comfort, which is essential for longer sessions. The PU leather feels smooth and looks professional, though it's not quite as plush as some high-end stationary tables you might find in a dedicated spa. But for portability and functionality, it's impressive. Setting it up was surprisingly straightforward. The metal hinges and lock catches snap into place securely, giving me confidence that it wouldn't collapse mid-session. The wooden legs feel sturdy and stable, and the non-slip pads mean it stays put on hardwood floors or tiles, which is important for safety. The carrying bag is well-sized and makes transporting the table to clients or different rooms pretty hassle-free. On the flip side, because it's foldable and portable, it's naturally a bit lighter and less heavy-duty than fixed tables. If you're a therapist or esthetician looking for something permanent with maximum cushioning and extra wide dimensions, this might feel a little compact. Also, the PU leather, while durable, isn't quite the same as real leather or some higher-end synthetic materials that offer extra softness or breathability. But that's the trade-off for portability and ease of cleaning. Now, thinking about value, this table is competitively priced given the solid wooden frame, adjustable features, and included carrying bag. For professionals who travel between clients or who want a multi-purpose setup, say for lash treatments, facials, massages, or tattoo work, it covers a lot of ground without breaking the bank. Compared to other portable massage tables on the market, SereneLife balances durability and functionality well without leaning too far into luxury pricing. If you want an alternative that's slightly cheaper, some tables opt for aluminum legs instead of wood, making them lighter but sometimes less stable. Others may skip adjustable backrests or ergonomic headrests, but those features are critical for client comfort and your ease as a therapist, so I wouldn't recommend sacrificing them. For those who need a stationary option with plush cushioning and larger surface area, fixed tables from spa suppliers would be the next step up, but at a much higher price point and no portability. In terms of build quality, the wooden frame here feels solid and well finished. The metal hinges have held up through multiple folds and unfolds without loosening, and the PU leather shows minimal wear after several weeks of use. This bodes well for longevity, especially with proper care, wiping down the surface regularly and avoiding sharp objects. I haven't had to reach out to SereneLife's customer support directly, but the brand is known for responsive service and good warranty coverage, which is reassuring for a product like this that you expect to rely on regularly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To sum it up, the SereneLife Portable Massage Table is a versatile, well-built, and practical choice for estheticians, therapists, or anyone who needs a professional-grade portable bed. It's not the plushest or widest table out there, but its ergonomic design, solid wood frame, and portability make it ideal for mobile use or multi-treatment purposes. If you're a beauty or wellness pro on the go, this could be a smart investment. If you've tried this massage table yourself, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Did it fit your workflow? Any tips or tricks for setup? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. You can find the link to purchase this table in the description box or comments below. See you soon on Beautyistic.